guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be playing Death Simulator. No, we're not playing Death Simulator. Horrific Housing. Frick. No cursing. Not cursing. Go away, brethren. Ugh, you're so annoying, my gosh. Do you think I give a crap? Okay. What? Cool. Oh, please ignore my character right now. My brother said please ignore me as well. And before he was calling me disgusting. That's why he said that. Oh my gosh, I look fabulous. Okay, this is my new look for the thing. Okay, comment below if you guys like my look. I think I look fabulous. Oh my gosh, I just want to play. I know I have 0 wins. Stop playing me. Ooh, I want to click. I want to click. Oh, animation. Let's see. Do you want ear rape? I'll do ear rape for you. Ear rape warning. 1, 2, 3. Sorry about that. Sorta, yeah. No. My brother said, is that the only reason you have a YouTube channel, to rape people's ears? Ugh, what the heckity heck? Sorry, I didn't do an ear rape warning. Okay, guys, I'm actually not playing this game. Still have that cold, which sucks. I might be quitting YouTube for a little bit, but like, I won't, like, quitting Gacha for a little bit, like that. But like, I'm not playing Royal High. I'm not playing Royal High. I don't want to play Royal High. Oh, looks like Blue is on. Steves, are you on? Hey, you want to sit over here with me? So you can be next to the microphone too? Alright. Alright, so like, sorry this video is boring so far. Come on, sit. Okay, shoot. Sit all the way back, Stoops. Okay, so what? I want to play Bloxburg? Let's play Bloxburg. Okay, so Bloxburg's the first game we're playing. Too close, dude. Put an ear rape warning if you're gonna give them ear rape. Gosh. You should edit the video and say ear rape. I am too lazy to edit my video, my Roblox videos, that is. Don't ask about the Potato Palace. Alright, so I'm on. So what game we're gonna play next, anyways? It's okay if we're in different servers, because the game I want to play next is only 1 person per server. Oh, no. I know what game you want to play. What? I don't know why my door is open. What game do I want to play? Yeah. Oof, like that kind. Alright. Hey, you wanna come over to my house? I'm gonna put Smarty. Oh, he's at the max friends, dang it. It's just wanna come over to my house? Okay. Alright. Random plot. Alright. So this is my... That's your house? It's gross. Bro, I barely ever play this game. At least
Actually, that's how my house started off.
I did the full house.
Oopsie daisy. Whoa.
Better?
Yeah. Okay, this is your house. We're neighbors.
Oh.
Can I come in your house? I'm coming in your house either way. So. Wait,
Where's
can
your
you like
house?
move? It's that house.
Okay, I'm gonna infiltrate your house.
Okay, cool. I don't actually care. Should I make you look like my roommate or something?
No. I have my own house.
Oh, sorry. Oh, this is my house. Sorry.
What?
Across the street.
So I'm bored. There really is nothing to do.
I'm making you co-owner, okay?
Why am I so tall? I look dumb.
You are dumb.
What, could I accidentally make myself smaller? Because I hate how tall I am.
No. Oh, okay. Wait, actually, want to play a different game?
Yeah, there's nothing really to do in blocks.
Yeah,
right
just
now.
only like role playing. Oh my gosh. Okay, wanna play Bubblegum Simulator?
Hello, hi me. How are you doing? Nice. But can you friend request me on my weird account?
Oh, we're friends.
Oh yeah. Well then say hi to it.
Okay. On camera? Hi. Weirdity. Okay, let's play.
It was supposed to just be weirder, but that name was already taken.
Oh, okay, so, yeah, this is my new...
I thought you said let's play.
Okay, wait, let me just... You can edit.
Wait, am I allowed to add my screen to anything? Because it's weird. Alright, let me change my
Fabulous.
thing. Red body.
Okay, now I'm gonna actually, like, change, because this looks so weird. Let's...
Wait, I'm the default height. Alright, I'm gonna make myself extremely tall. Now I'm gonna make myself extremely small.
I'm gonna... Ew. Ew, I hate being, like, having a cold.
Alright, I'm a midget now.
Oh, cool.
Do you want me to be midget or do you want me to be fat?
Be fat.
I'll just be average.
Okay, this will be my character for now, because I'm too lazy. Actually, I really like this character. So. Are you gonna... Let's play...
Alright, let's see my outfits. This was my just... That was yours. This is my default one, and this is my cheap.
Cheap, baby.
I called it cheap. That's what I called it.
Yeah, the only thing that you bought for, like, clothes was glasses.
And the chill face, but then they changed it later.
Yeah, the chill face is actually the best Roblox face. If you watch Alberto. Yeah. Flamingo, that is.
Why am I climbing on your screen?
I don't
I'm
know.
not climbing on anything. Alright, move.
Don't be so rude. Gosh. Oh my
I
gosh,
don't-
Candyland is still a thing?
Yeah.
Are they ever gonna get rid of it? Hey.
No, they made, since every other thing costs money except Candyland, they made Candyland cost money. So
That's not even cool. Like, what if you're really broke and you need money, but, like, they're just being rude and bullying you? Like,
But come to Atlantis.
Does that cost money?
It costs 20 million shells
Which shells?
in Beach World.
I don't have Beach World.
And buy it.
You think I could?
Nay, you are very cheap in this game.
I haven't played in a long time. What are you talking about, brother? Hey. Come to this one.
The Void.
This
You
is...
still haven't even unlocked XP Island yet?
No, because I'm too lazy.
Alright, let's get that Void chest. I like nothing from it.
chest.
I forgot to equip my gem pets. How dare I?
Lol. Wait, where are my pets? Am I wearing any pets?
Yeah. You have terrible pets.
I don't know why Oh, it was probably because I was in Candyland last time.
By the way, if you want to get the chocolate chicken, you can't anymore. If you want to get the chocolate chicken, you can't anymore because it was part of the egg hunt, which is over.
That sucks for me. I'm just gonna equip my shiny.
Plus, they're untradeable.
Ha! Bro! Can you give me some good stuff?
No.
Why?
You're good stuff.
Oh, thanks, I guess. I could give you some good pets.
Let me level up my chocolate chicken. It might get good when I level it up. Unequip all pets and equip the chocolate chicken.
Potato engine.
I have
The void deer is a gross, so dark dragon. Let's go. I think these are my best pets.
Right.
I don't know.
It's already at level 3, and I just opened one chest. Now it's at level 4.
Can we please trade?
No,
Why?
because I'm doing this. Let me kill myself. Alright.
Whoa. Ooh, my pets are cute. The chocolate chicken is cute.
No, it's dumb.
You're dumb. Shut up. I'm actually gonna try and jump.
Have you unlocked Zen yet?
What's the Zen?
The one after Void.
Nope.
How often do you even play this game? You started playing this more than before me.
Alright.
You started playing this before me, and I'm godly bubbler when you're bubble coming soon. Or however you pronounce it. I suck at pronouncing.
Why do you have the microphone there?
Because we're recording a video. It's alright.
Alright. Could you tell me
Grandma.
how to pronounce that word? Because I'm dumb and I don't listen in school.
Connoisseur.
Connoisseur?
Yep.
Well, they should spell it correctly.
Yeah, probably that would.
Ois. Oi. Not is. Ois. What do you mean, whoa?
Whoa. Hit the whoa. That's probably what they meant. Lol. Only in 2019.
Are you finally gonna upload a video again?
I've been uploading. My gosh.
Well, I haven't checked out your channel in a while.
I uploaded 2 videos.
It's been like months.
Yeah, it actually has. Hey, let's check out my channel. This is what I use for screen recording. YouTube, yeah.
Is it okay if I react to some of your videos right now?
Yeah, I'll be fine. You know what? This is turning into a Roblox video to a React video.
Hold on a second, what was it called? Gaming Galaxy Unicorn?
No, it's called Angel the Gaming Potato.
Oh yeah, you changed it.
No, this is a different account. Are you stupid or something?
Hey, why aren't you using gaming the game?
Because that's Dad's account. Are you stupid? Oh, this is when Mom made the gacha character.
I have like no videos.
I have hooded eyes. What is that? Lots of talk.
Why is it so loud?
Because I turned it all the way up.
No. I turned all of fine. Okay.
Really?